Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to mute someone on the Instagram. So if you want to get notification or see someone post on the Instagram, you can simply mute that person. But how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Instagram and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see your profile icon on the right bottom. So you have to click on it and you are in your profile now. So you have to click on the followings or the followers. So once you will do it, now here you will see all of your following list and you will see following, and here you will see three dot icon. So you have to click on the three dot icon and here you will see two options, manage notification and mute. So you just have to click on the mute. Once you will click on the mute, here you will see what you want to mute, like post or the stories. If you want to mute the post, simply turn this toggle on like this, and if you want to turn off or mute stories, simply you have to turn this toggle on. Now you don't get any notification from this person. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.